Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are a programmer with a passion for game development or a computer science graduate who wants to become a game developer for the console, Android or iOS devices and looking for some excellent courses to start with, then you have come to the right place. Game development can be both fun and very rewarding when publishing a hit game to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Still, more importantly, it also teaches you how to program, and that's why I suggest anyone learning to code or program to start developing games. But before diving in, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates regarding the new videos. In this video, I am going to share the best game development courses which are entirely free using Unity, Corona and LibGDX. This is one of the best courses to learn unit game development online, and the best thing is that it's free. In this course, you will learn how to install and set up Unity software, but also how to create projects, scenes and navigate. You will learn how to use a camera and lighting, add 2D and 3D game objects, manipulate the scenes and play with objects, colors and material to create real-world games and much more. The second on the list is Game Development Crash Course SDK. You can do it. If you are interested in 2D mobile game development for Android and iOS, then you have probably heard of the Corona SDK framework. If not, it's another popular game engine for creating games. In this course, you will first dive in and create a simple games. Along the way, you will magically learn how to use the core concepts of Corona SDK like animation, tap and touch event and playing audio. The third on the list is simple game programming from scratch with LibGDX and Java. This is another short course to learn game development in Java using LibGDX, one of the most popular game development libraries in Java. In this course, you will learn how to develop a Flappy Bird-like game by LibGDX and Java from scratch and learn the basic of programming and game development along the way. The fourth on the list is Intro to Game Development using Unity Part 1. This is the perfect course for someone who wants to learn game development but has no programming experiences. In this, a 2D game will be developed from scratch and you will learn the basic of game development along the way. This is not a long course but packed with 1.5 hours of powerful material where you will learn many important aspects of game development like one-tap start, characters with different behavior, collisions, detections, animations and so on. The last on the list is Introduction to Game Development with Unity. This is the great online course to learn how to develop a high-quality 3D games for the web, PC, Macs or even Linux using Unity. In this course, you will learn how to create, acquire, modify and integrate A+ quality assets such as sound, music and 3D models. By the end of this course, you will have a survival game that can publish and play with your friends and family or continue to develop into your own custom creations. So that's all about the best free Unity courses to learn game development in this year. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like. If yes, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the like button.